warning for northeastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Routsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Akron, Ephrata, Lella, and Klein-Feltersville around 8:10 p.m. Adamstown, Reamstown, Denver, and Terrace Hill around 8:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Goodville, Shoneck, Bowmansville, Penryn, Five Pointsville, Blue Ball, Farmersville, Reinholz, and Lancaster Airport. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 268 to 295. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south-central Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lancaster, and Lebanon. Here is the regional weather forecast.